Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to find a message now. Open Messages and keep your conversation list visible. Once the list is open, swipe down to expose the search bar. That's where you start. Type a contact name, keyword, emoji, or phone number. This narrows results instantly. Use short words first to see broader hits, then add more detail to limit matches. Make sure to let the suggestions populate before deciding. They show recent matches and attachments so you save time. Once results appear, refine by adding more specific words or a phrase to get precise hits. If you see a promising result, tap it to jump into the conversation preview. Press and hold a result to reveal message details like time or contact info. Make sure to scan thumbnails for attachments. Images and links help identify the right thread quickly. If you want only one contact, type their name first, then your keyword, so the search prioritizes that sentence. Tap the result to open the conversation at the exact message. This lets you read context and reply immediately. If you can't find older messages, make sure Messages in iCloud is enabled so threads are indexed. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. If indexing still seems incomplete, restart your device or check for an iOS update that often rebuilds search indexes. As a troubleshooting tip, toggling Messages in iCloud off and on can force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.